Thermodial engineer on site. Called out for no hot water in the whole building. Arrived on site to the state water. Find the state water heater was actually off on the time schedule. As you can see there, the actual time itself is set wrong. So I'm going to adjust this back to the correct time, which is just after 10 o'clock. And the water heater has come on. You can see it go through the startup process now. As you can see there now, the water heater has started up without any issue. So I believe that was the issue the whole time. The clock on the water heater was just set to the wrong time. Thank you.